Jumia phunukha the prosto to mind sudan thang TSF rock movement khai borok agok thangmani ras babandi haifan borok kasoi narak jagai circuit house so boroni movement borok peacefully carry on khai tongmani haifan jung tumanukha je police personnel rock the Tripura police rock boroni sakawa tear gas lathi charge water cannon by attack happened. A brutal attack has been done by the Tripura police yesterday upon the TSF supporters. Borok tuma demand khaga thangman. Boron demand tambo. Boroni rights Roman script no ko borok sajago implement khaigan baga. Among ka boroni rights. And this is not a new demands. TSF ni demands bu amano 50 years ago in movement unganito hyphen government, the government of India and government of Tripura. They are not ready to hear our voice. Boni bagay mi afro phunukha TSF supporters rock students rock boroni movement demands no phunukha hyphen sung tumanukha je student ni sakawo sak na ya khai attack khai jamon a brutal attack jubu jolega sung nukhangke boni bagay we condemn the incident that has happened yesterday. The police personnel boroni sako amta hake khamani sung condemn khayo. We demand the government to take immediate action against the police officials who has instructed to make a brutal attack upon the TSF supporters. Borok are peacefully khaitumani. They are unarmed, but they were attacked brutally. We can see many students has been injured and hospitalized. Teman bagay amonga nangka. Student ni sakawo teman bagay police officials omta ke attack khaya nangkana. A unlawful attack sung nubuje. Boni bagay sung TSF condemn khaye. Te sung TSF borok no support khaye te boroni loge sung tongu boroni je movement borome je peacefully borok movement khai tong man sakawo attack khai jong mana sung condemn khaye TSF ningai te government immediate action nagang thung sung omono sung TSF ningai chini demand tong nai totan hambai